Hello and welcome to Lutong Barkada.
I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy. For today, we are cooking pancit, one of our viewers' requests.
Pancit is a staple Filipino dish that you can find in many birthday parties and feasts. There are so many different kinds of pancit, like pancit malabon, which is my favorite.
Favorite mo na naman, Marie. There's also pancit palabok, pancit habhab, pancit luglog. But today, we are making Pancit Bihon. This is delicious and yet easy to follow recipe. This one is for you!
Wow!
For our ingredients, we need bihon or cornstarch sticks. We use chicken thighs, but you can also use chicken breast, garlic, onion, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking oil, chicken bouillon, salt and pepper, and dark soy sauce. This one is optional.
And on my side, we do have cabbage, snow pea pods, carrots, green beans, and celery, and lemon for garnish.
Let's get started!
Yes! So we will soak the bihon in hot water.
For how many minutes,
for 5
Joy?
minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes, until it's softened. Then after 5 minutes, we'll take it out and drain it because this will be soft later on. So we'll just let this
Soak for
soak
5 minutes.
For 5 minutes, yes.
Do you have to add water to cover the
No, it
top?
should be okay because once it's soaked, this will go down.
Oh, okay.
A few moments later.
So we will drain the water since the noodles is already softened. You don't want to over soak it because we will put some sauce on this, some stock, chicken stock. Okay, you know what? Let me put it back. We need to let the water run down. So we'll just leave this. It's already soft, but not over soft. Not
That's
over,
a cute strainer, Joy.
Oh, thank you. Yes. So we're just gonna let it drain all that excess water. And we'll set it aside.
Now we're ready to saute the garlic, the onion. What do we do first?
Of
Oil?
course, the oil first.
Okay. I'm your assistant, Joy.
Okay, and then let's put the garlic. That's the sizzling that you're looking for.
Can you get this more? Okay, yeah. Do not waste a bit of garlic. I love garlic. And now we add the onions.
The onions. Let's add the onions. Saute it. And this one has to be translucent to get all that flavor. Alright, we will add the chicken.
Do you need help? Oh,
yes. And we'll saute this till golden brown. And then we will add the oyster sauce after that.
okay. Easy but yummy.
Yes, you can really follow this list. Alright, so we will add half of this oyster sauce for now.
So that's 2 tablespoons, right?
That's 2 tablespoons. Just to get that flavor.
And what's next?
And then we will put a little bit of soy sauce. We're not using the whole thing right now, so I'm saving a little bit over here. And then we will saute all the vegetables. Let's start with carrots.
That looks nice.
And then we can add the green peas. Green beans. And you scrape that brown. That's for flavor. Yes, like that.
Get that flavor out. Okay, mix it again.
So you don't want to overcook the vegetables. Just half cook. You can also add
The pea pods.
If you want, you can just use green beans, The pea pods is optional if you have, well, I prefer to have that in my pancit. How about you, Marie?
I don't eat vegetables, so it can be optional for me.
Okay, yes. Then now we can add this now. Yes.
And I think that is 1/4 of the whole cabbage.
Yes. You don't need the whole cabbage. This is just 1/4 of the whole cabbage.
Okay, what's next? My arm is hurting now.
Let's add the celery. Then we'll add a little bit of water. So this is just cold water. Just enough to cook all the vegetables.
Can you also use like chicken stock?
Yes,
so it will be more
yes, of
flavorful.
course. Yes. And then we will set this aside. And then we will make stock broth for the noodles.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and now we scoop it out and set it aside.
Yes.
We are ready for the stock. As Joy said, do not overcook the vegetables.
Yes, that's enough. Because you will mix the vegetable with the noodles anyway. So we'll set aside the vegetable. Now we're gonna make the stock. We'll put a little bit in a medium to high. So that's 2 cups. Then I'm gonna add 1 more. So probably 4 cups of water for this 2 bouillon. We will put this bouillon into this.
So we're using chicken bouillon, right?
Chicken bouillon, yes. Because we're using chicken. And then let it boil. We can also add the soy sauce. This is the leftover soy sauce from earlier. And then the oyster sauce. This is all the oyster sauce. You can adjust the stock or the sauce or the broth. It depends on your how many noodles you're putting. So for that package, we have 4 noodles. So this should be enough. So we can always, always add some water if you need it. So we'll just let this boil, and then when it's boiled, we can add the noodles to it. All right, Marie, so we will add the bihon now.
Okay, and
Yes.
1.
Yeah,
You
just
see it's
slowly.
soft.
Yeah. Okay, so we have the bihon in here. So this is I use to break. You can use 2 forks or this kind. I don't know what's this, honestly. Just break it like that so you can get the stock evenly and get all that flavor. And now, Marie, now we can add this dark soy sauce. This dark soy sauce is not really salty, it's sweet actually, and this is only for coloring, like to get the dark color that we want for this pancit.
What's next, Joy?
So we will add those in
The
here.
vegetables?
Yes.
Okay, here it is. Oh, even the
Yeah, the whole
sauce?
thing. Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. So now we'll mix it together. Like this, so. So I normally put the salt last because we can adjust how, if we need to add more or it's enough already because we added the soy sauce, the oyster sauce. So we can probably taste it, but I would like to add the pepper. Want to mix it, Marie?
Yeah. I'm here to mix and eat. You wanna taste it?
Yes, one for you. Unless you want to use the big fork.
No.
Okay. Alright, let's try it.
Just a little bit of salt.
Okay.
For me.
I think so. You can also use soy sauce if you want. But we have salt. And maybe we should add more dark soy
Dark
sauce.
soy sauce, yeah. I think so too.
Okay.
So you can just adjust to your taste. If you want it darker, then add more dark soy sauce.
Alright. Let's add more dark soy sauce. Let's see. Let's try this. I like a lot of pepper. Can we taste it?
Okay, go ahead, Joey.
Let's try.
I can be the mixer. So we usually have this in birthdays because we Filipinos have this belief that if you have pancit, you will have longer life.
Yes. I think for me it's enough.
Okay, you're good?
Yes. Okay, we should turn up the heat now and we're done.
Yay! Now our Barkada can taste it.
Yay!
Time to eat.
Wow!
Wow, Joy, ang sarap talaga ng pansit. It was really good.
Yes, of course, Marie, and it's easy to make. So please like, share, and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell. And if you have any comments, please leave it in the comment box. Take care, mga kabarkada. And Liz, let us know how you like it. Bye!
See you guys next time.
Woo! Wow, Joy, ang sarap talaga ng pansit. It was really good.
Yes, of course, Marie, and it's very easy to make. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe.
And also like and hit the notification bell.